Docker Joomla installation. We have here Docker installed in this Docker 1.9. We have running iMac, and inside the iMac there is a Docker virtual machine, and this is here we are inside the Docker virtual machine. So we have here already some few images, and also let's see what kind of containers. We have 2 containers. Joomla installation needs MySQL server installation also. Let's start this. First we have to start this MySQL server. Then we start this Joomla server. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this started. And this Joomla is ported to port 8081. Okay, let's see. We have to contact our virtual machine, which is in this kind of IP address and port 8081. We use a link to MySQL server and name it like MySQL, and run MySQL server latest container, and run MySQL dump host to MySQL, password root as a user, as a root, all databases, and output to this kind of SQL file. So after we run, we didn't have the MySQL server image, and it pulls from Docker Hub that image, and after it pulls that, it creates the container and running this MySQL dump command in this container. Let's see after it has pulled the image for us. Okay, we have here file created. Let's see what it is. It seems to be quite good. It took a dump of our MySQL system. That's enough because MySQL containers doesn't change. So then we have this, let's inspect our Joomla container. We have this ported. Then we have volume. Standard Joomla Docker has this volume here. Okay, and then we had the link to the same is here. This directory is in the volume, and the link to the MySQL server. Next we back up our Joomla volume. All the Joomla files are in this volume. We run a command, create a volume from Joomla. We take this way the needed volume. Let's Let's take the $sign from there. Current directory is named as a backup. We run it in the Ubuntu container. Command is tar Joomla backup.tar file, and from the file system HTML. So it doesn't have Ubuntu, it pulls that image from the Docker Hub. Now we have our Joomla files in this Joomla-backup.tar file. Next, we have these images here. So we don't have here Ubuntu image, but we have downloaded the Ubuntu latest and the MySQL server latest images. Now we save our Joomla container. Save it to. We have our backups here. That's enough. We can stop the containers. Stop Joomla and MySQL server. These are now stopped. Try to see our web page. We doesn't have it.